Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the maintenance required light on a Toyota Prius. This indicator simply reminds you that a routine service, like an oil change, is due. It typically appears every 5,000 miles after your last service. It does not mean there is an urgent mechanical issue. You can easily reset this light yourself, saving a trip to the mechanic. Let's go through the straightforward steps to turn it off. To begin, get into your Toyota Prius and turn the ignition to the on position. It's important not to start the engine, just power up the dashboard. Next, look at your odometer display. Make sure it shows the total mileage, not trip A or trip B. If it's on a trip meter, simply press the odometer reset button until the total mileage is displayed. This sets up the vehicle for the next part of the reset process. Now, with the total mileage displayed, turn the ignition completely off. As you do this, press and hold the odometer reset button. Keep holding that button down firmly. While still holding the button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Continue to hold the button for at least 10 seconds. You should see the maintenance required light flash several times, then it will turn off, indicating a successful reset. Congratulations! Your maintenance required light should now be off and your dashboard clear. Remember, resetting this light only clears the reminder. It does not perform the actual maintenance. It's crucial to follow your Toyota Prius's recommended service schedule, typically every 5,000 miles, for oil changes and inspections. Regular maintenance ensures your vehicle runs smoothly, efficiently, and extends its overall lifespan. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.